Hey friends, if you wish to set up the Blue Yeti microphone on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. The Blue Yeti microphone is a plug and play device. You can simply plug it to the system and it should start working, but many times it does not. See, the Blue Yeti microphone has a lot of variants, and you can right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab and sound. Now, if it is the USB variant, then you will have to connect to it separately. And if it has a 3.5 mm jack, then connect to the speakers. To verify this, you can also run some. Test, like you can go to the microphone and then you can scroll down and click on start test and then stop test to check the percentage volume. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.